channel now, I had to give an update on Harmony One. Obviously, it is a cryptocurrency that we have been watching since the start of the year, and some of you would have obviously been updated with one of my first entries earlier in the year. But yeah, things do look really interesting right now. So make sure you stick around to the whole of this video so you can get the the full update. Now, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, click the bell notification icon so you can stay up to date on all my recent videos. Remember, guys, nothing that you see in this video is financial advice. So always make sure to do your own research. Now, we're clearly stuck in a range between the 11 cent and the 20 cent area, and we saw a significant bounce, right? So this is what I call a bounce. This is all within the 4-hour time frame, so that is a significant bounce to the upside, move to the upside. So let's just see. Okay, that's a 21% move to the upside on a 4-hour time frame. So this area is obviously really quite significant, and there's a lot of sensitivity at this area. So let me just circle that for you guys, just so you can see that in more detail. But significant level, so I'm guessing this is going to be a key Fibonacci level. And again, guys, the Fibonacci is honestly is a tool that does work wonders when you learn how to master it. So let's see where. Okay, so this Fibonacci level is literally at the 50% fib level. Sorry, let me just do this down a tiny bit. Sorry, just so it's accurate. We want to make sure that price is as accurate as can be. So there you go, 50% level to the T. And like I said, guys, 61.8% really significant, 50% also just as significant. Those of you in our premium Telegram group that saw that, and that's the Crypto Crew premium Telegram group, you can join the standard group by clicking the link in my description and joining that Telegram group. But for the premium members, also link available in description, we would have went over a similar scenario on this on OMI this morning. We went over some analysis on where price could potentially go next, or where we're looking to restock at least. So yeah, so 50%, as I mentioned, just as significant. But obviously the 38.2, 61.8 are the two levels that we like to focus on. But again, guys, this is not random. This is all this is all by design, as they say. So as you can see, sensitive level, prices rallied 21%. And what's going to happen next? So this is what we all are here for right now. So obviously we predicted the move to the upside from the 11 cent area. We said that would happen. And then we started to see price almost double top, right? So a double top, let's just go on a 1-hour time frame so we can see this in the closer detail. We see price almost start to consolidate at the 20 cent area, right? So we see price number one pull back on the first area of the 19 cents, not 20 cents, but around 19 cents. We see price reject, pull back down, and then we see price break the all-time high and go as high as 21 cents, pulls back again, and then we see price almost hover underneath that 9 cent area. Then we see a false breakout. So this is a fake out. So when we see a move like this would be a fake move to the downside, and of course price spiked, retested that all-time high area, and then we start to see the downwards move from here. So where do we see the trend line break? We see the trend line break at this area. So this area is potentially where you would have wanted to start looking for your shorting opportunities. Of course, guys, this is not something that you can learn overnight, but it's important to make sure that you're staying up to date on the fundamentals as well as the technicals, though, I must say that. So don't worry if you haven't got the technicals down to a T. Staying up to date with your project itself and learning more about the project in detail is equally as important. So as you can see, we see the break of the trend line, and then we see not a sharp move to the downside, but we see price almost trend to the downside, and now it looks like we're seeing a reversal, and we could start to see that move to the upside. So this would be a significant trading idea that we would potentially be looking at in our Crew Standard or Crypto Crew Premium. So make sure you click the links in the description. But this is a really nice setup. If I had seen this before or had a price alert set up, this is where I would be looking for potential long opportunities. And like I said, guys, we're likely going to move in a straight line from this area. So it does look really, really interesting. But with that being said, we are still stuck in the range. So buy low, sell high, right? So ideally, you would have wanted to buy at a low. Maybe take profit at the 20 cent area again, depending on your time frame, on how much you believe in this project and your personal approach, how long you plan on holding this particular cryptocurrency for. Or again, that could have been a good entry and hopefully wait for that all-time high to take place. But as it stands, until we break this 20 cent area, which is a significant area, not just a 20 cent area, but this whole area. So we see the 19 cents to the 22 cent area, all significant areas of resistance, as we could easily see price rally up into this resistance area again and then slowly decline. And that is again a really nice move. So to the 19 cent area, 33% all-time highs, just 52%. I say just 52%, but that's obviously still a large move, especially for a day trade position. But yeah, that's what I would be waiting for now. I'd be looking at, obviously, we are bag holders, so we do want this to make a significant move to the upside. To be honest with you, would we enter this right now? Unfortunately not, just because we've missed that day trade move. We would have wanted to enter from this low, but we do have a great position actually that we have announced over in the Crypto Crew standard group, and that's on Cheles. So if you want to learn about that and that potential setup, definitely check that out because it does look really, really good, and it looks similar to this, but the only difference is we haven't seen this leg up to the upside yet. But I do expect price to continue to the upside on this crypto currency. Again, bullish momentum kicking in live in real time, guys. So let's just go on a 5-minute, 15-minute time frame. Wouldn't usually do this, but yeah. So we can actually see in real time price is literally rallying to the upside. So yeah, this looks like a really good day trade on this one. And it goes to show, guys, that the key levels are very important. It's important that you understand the key levels when trading. Otherwise, of course, you will get caught out. And again, we're currently in no man's land. Remember, whenever we're in the middle of a range, typically we want to stay away from this. But with that being said, guys, when others are fearful, be greedy, and when others are greedy, be fearful. I mean, a lot of people did take advantage of that fear, and now they're up quite a bit. So with that being said, guys, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, seize the day.